a couple of little things to watch out for to make this little section easier. First of all, for the E minor, because you're not using the 5th and 4th strings, there's no need to put any fingers on it. So you'll be able to just play it with no fingers. That makes the change to the A chord much easier. And you could actually do the A with just 2 fingers, but I would prefer to see 3 fingers on, just in case you hit the 4th string by accident. It will still harmonise if you went. Whereas if you go, you'll be caught. So I would prefer to see guitarists use the full chord for the A rather than the 2. When you're picking the open 1st string on the A in this little run, it's not enough to just pick it. You actually have to move your chord hand at the same time, certainly your 2nd finger, in the direction of the 6th string 3rd fret, so that when you go looking for this note, you're only reaching from here to get these 2 instead of being here and then try to do all of that. So it would look like this. E minor, no fingers. A, then A with the run. Pick the open first with the 2nd finger coming across.